One Balloon Tutorial!
What's talking? How about that? It's a parrot with a chat. Please welcome in Clown Action!
Start by popping up a 260 goldenrod balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 10cm tail. We're going to start by making a 3cm bubble, followed by a 5cm bubble. Then we're going to tie them together. This makes the head. Now we're going to make an 8cm bubble. Now to make 2 little feet, we're going to make 2 little pinch twists. Now we're going to make another 8cm bubble and tie it back to the head. And one last 8cm bubble to complete the body. Add the last 8cm bubble back to the feet. Now we're going to grab the knot from the head and tie it back to the body of the parrot. This is to secure the head and the body together. Now we're going to go to the end of the balloon. Squeeze all the air to the end of the balloon, and we're going to start at the end. We're going to make an 8cm bubble. This makes the tail of the parrot. We're going to tie it to the pinch twist's feet to attach it to the parrot. Adjust it a little bit so the really big loop is over the parrot. And the twisting part is complete. Now onto the drawing. Now we're going to grab a black marker and outline some eyes on the smaller bubble of the head. Now we're going to outline the mouth on the bigger bubble of the head. Next we're going to grab a red marker and color in the eyes. Now using a white marker, we're going to color in the eye whites. Your balloon parrot is complete.
For our balloon parrot, please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye-bye!